What's up, YouTubers? I know you guys must be mesmerized by this beautiful red maple tree and you'd love to grow it at your home, right? So watch it till the end to know the tricky process in between. And you can see over here the Japanese maple tree with the seeds on them. Isn't it beautiful? And I know that you guys want to have it at your home, so let's begin the process. You can see these seeds have tail attached with them. You can see how they rotate. By that process they travel far and deep into the soil, which helps them in propagation. And you can see over here big leaf Amur maple tree leaves. And as always, I'm using the coco peat for growing medium. And you can see now I'm placing the seed 3-4 inches deep in the coco peat and just a little bit portion of its tail visible outside. I'm going to place all the seeds as well in the same way. So putting this in the Ziploc bag and now placing them inside the fridge. So what I'm doing over here is just making the seeds feel like they are in the winter temperature. So I'm starting this process at the start of the winter. I'm keeping these seeds for 60 to 90 days inside the fridge and the temperature around 1 to 5 degrees Celsius, making it feel like a winter temperature. Now at the start of the spring, I'm taking out and placing them at my window or at the terrace where there is nice and warm temperature. And within a couple of weeks you will see a visible change in the seeds. You can see over here they have started growing, and you can see still the tail of the seed is present over there. And you can see another big leaf red maple tree. They also have grown in a beautiful way and I am quite satisfied. So in 3 weeks after taking out from the fridge, they have grown remarkably and I am quite satisfied with the seed. So here I have used the coco peat, so I don't have to work much harder over maintaining the good condition for these plants. So the coco peat is just best for these plants. So after 4 weeks also you can see a couple of more leaves has appeared in the plants, and you can see still the cover of that seed at the base of that tree, that plant. And you can see the big leaf has grown in a quite nice way, and I can see a couple of huge leaves. And you can see after 6 weeks also they keep growing and they are very healthy, and I haven't added anything yet. So until the 4 to 6 leaves appear in the plant, the coco peat is best for them. Until the time you can transplant them on the ground, the coco peat is just good for them, so you don't have to worry anything. Just add water and good temperature and sunlight is enough for them. So I have some big leaves or red maple trees which I planted 1 year ago, and they are quite doing very well in these pots, in these plastic pots. You can see they have grown number of leaves and these plants are really healthy, and they will turn red once they are in winter season. Here are a few varieties of maple trees. Enjoy them, my friends. So by this simple trick you can easily grow maple plants at your home. Few links are below in the descriptions where you can find them. Just search for your country. If you have any queries, please leave a comment below. I would love to reply them. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please just share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.